What is going on, everybody? Welcome back to my channel, Redline Mods. Thanks for tuning back in. So we're doing an install right now with the cabin air filter. Trying to show you guys how you could do it yourselves. This thing might cost you 30 to 40 bucks at a dealership, anywhere, maybe a shop. But yeah, you could get 2 of these for 15 on Amazon, literally, or 1 for like 10 bucks, I believe. But yeah, I'm gonna put my affiliate link in the description below at no cost for you guys. I just get a really small commission off of that, and I'll put other links as well that you might need. So let's get started on this thing. All right, got this one. I got this for like 15 2-pack, so I'm good for the year. I'm gonna go in and show you guys how dirty it gets, because health is very important, guys. Make sure you guys change them every 4 to 5 months or 6 months, depending on how much you drive. So I'm gonna turn on the flashlight for my iPhone, and then we're gonna go and move into the installation video. All right, so this is it. And before you guys do anything, make sure safety first, of course, and make sure everything's out of the box, of course, so it doesn't drop down. And make sure you guys follow me on my Instagram at redlinemods.official. I'm gonna put the link in the description below. I would appreciate that, because I'm gonna be doing a giveaway soon, and that's why easy way to contact me is Instagram, honestly. So what you want to do is, you see this right here, this side, you want to push into it right here, and see how it made that sound. Like you could pull it down, but the thing is, you got to do that side as well. So it's right there. You got to do them together. Let me see if it could. I'm gonna press down on it. Oh, this side went in, but let's see if I could do it. Nope. So push this side, push that side together. It should pop down. So as you can see, it's out. You see that? Came out like an inch and a half. It comes down. Don't worry about it. You see, it's a bit tight. So make sure it comes down up to there. So it will line up with the edge. It will line up with the edge. Don't push it down any more further. Next you want to do is push this right here. See that? So once it's pushed inwards, you hear a sound, and I just close it back in. So what you want to do is push it out, and then you can pull this down. See that, how this thing dropped down? Because I pushed that in, and this drops right down. All right, what you want to do next is, you'll see that direction of the airflow downwards, and he uses a clip right here, this guy. So you just push inward and it comes out, and make sure when you push it back in together, it makes a click sound like this. That's how you know it's secured. All right, so it's out, and this side is out. So I'm gonna show you guys how dirty that looks right now, because it's been a while, and usually you would use both hands, so this way it doesn't drop anywhere. Look at that, I already have so many leaves over here on the side, even in the cover. That means it might be packed in there. So great video then, right? So you guys, so make sure you push this, make sure you place this on top here the way you're gonna put it back on. So that's that. Let's take out the old filter. You can just put a finger underneath it and pull it out slowly. And let's see how much dirt we got. I'm excited to see it, because I know this is bad for you guys, for everybody. All right, look at this. Look at this. This stuff I do not want to be smelling. Inhale, actually. You don't want to inhale all this crap. Look at this. You see that? That's possibly a year of dirt. Oh my gosh, I don't know. This just built up in like a month, or in the last 2 months, I would say, because I could tell the leaves. So this is fall season. So, but yeah, this is how dirty it is, guys. Make sure you guys take care of it. And I'm just gonna put this to a side. Now you guys saw everything. I'm gonna go ahead and open the new filter, right? All right, right back at you. All right, so this is the new filter. Super clean. And you see how it says airflow? It's pointing downwards. You wanna make sure that points downwards, all right? And it will go in just like that. If you try to push it in this way, it won't fit properly. Just showing you guys there's no wrong way of doing it. Just make sure the airflow arrows are down. And guess what? That fits in real nice and smooth. So what you want to do next? You would use both hands, honestly, but so yeah, you would use both hands and try to line it up there together. But I've done this a couple times, so I have like a muscle memory on it. Oh, I got this side in right there, so this should be good too. That's good. See, we want to make sure that you got this side, so just see, there you go. So I had it. See that? Just, you can make sure arrows are pointing down. And that's it for this. When you try to push it back up together, just kind of push this in a little bit, not too much. That should click in, and then you want to pull this towards you. It should make a sound once you hit that point right here. Let's be a little higher. All right, hold up. There you go. So once you make that, once it goes up, and then you pull it in, all right? So once you're able to go up completely, but don't make sure you don't, just make sure you don't close it, just let it hang, and then you pull this and you should hear a click noise. Yeah, that should do it. But just for you guys, let me do that again. All right, so you see both sides will come down, and then you would push this out, and then thing will drop down just like that. Okay, and the only reason why mine made a noise is because I just, you know, you're supposed to push it in like that and then come bring it down, but whatever. And yeah, going back up would be, make sure this goes in there and just, it's in, right? It clicked in, back, got locked in over there. See that? And just let it hang. Pull. Oh, where is it? There, it should come down actually. All right, see that? You could adjust it, bring it all the way down, so you see a little bit. All you gotta do is pull it towards you until you hear this click, and then you're good. There you go, and then close it. That's it, guys. So if you guys like my content, please subscribe, like, share. Make sure you guys follow me on my Instagram at redlinemods.official. I would appreciate that. And until next time, peace out, fam.